Yeah, good morning. Another day, another dollar. Hello, my love. Brush your teeth. Hello. Nice pajama.
Of course.
Good morning.
Only had 2 hours of sleep. Don't bother.
Jen's very busy. She's doing some painting on canvas.
Can trigger my emotions.
Hello, my mates all around me. Hello, Spooky. I wake up late. I don't feel like doing anything. Latest news, Jan's passport has arrived. We'll pick it up tomorrow, so we go in town. Pick it up from BLC?
LBC.
LBC, I always got it wrong, upside down. LBC, okay, we pick it up tomorrow, it's good. So we need to organize the trip to Manila. Did you want anything? You want a lizard too? Bella having breakfast on the run. It's raining. It's raining, my love. Oh yeah, look, the leaves dropping. Oh my god. Oh, Mimi up there, she was saying, okay. Oh, Mimi. There's a strong wind coming up again. I'm having a rest today, guys. What's up? What's up, you? You hungry? Eh? It's drizzling. I'll never get the soil dry to go to the mountain farm. We should be going Saturday. Working hard? She just finished a painting, but I'm not allowed to film it.
No.
It's for a customer.
Release that yet.
Hello. Yeah, I decided to take it easy. I'm so exhausted. Okay, I'm gonna have lunch. I'm gonna make myself something very simple because Jem is very, very busy with the job. Something very quick, very simple, healthy, relatively healthy. Yeah, I prefer the one without pork, but that's what I got. 2 eggs right underneath. Good morning, guys. Oh, sunny day, yes. Very enjoyable. We're gonna go shopping and buy something for the bedroom project. Okay, let's get ready. Go to town. This is our trash bin, laundry, the usual thing. Yeah, Bella know how to put the shoes on. So smart. Okay, everybody ready? I'm starving. Yeah, I always say that. It's true, I have my breakfast early in the morning. Yeah, we're back at the post office. Jim sent something a month ago, and apparently the parcel's still here. Yeah, I know. It's normal. So she wants to see what's happening. And we need to pick up her passport too, it's ready. I'm gonna get some beef steak. To drink, pretty good for drink, just water. Bella's gone to talk to everybody.
After.
Yeah, I found a friend, but she doesn't want to share the menu. There's some of our viewers, subscribers just came in and said hello to us. You like my wife? Oh, Jem found a new boyfriend. It's 20 to 2 p.m. I had my breakfast 7 a.m. Yes, I'm hungry. You know what I said? Well, I got a friend. Anyway, they got a big choice. The food's not bad here. It's always busy. Oh, hungry. So they're both beef. French fries? No.
She loved it.
No good. It's all beef on the table, so that's it. Baby.
Mommy no eating that.
Steak is very nice actually. I like it. I like the garlic rice too. Just a cream caramel for dessert. Okay, we're in the city mall now. We're going to VLC pick up Jen's passport. She must be very excited. So we're going to need that passport to go to Manila next month. Smile. Okay, back to the bedroom project. So those pieces here will be removed. That's not the right one, but they will be cut to length to go across here. And I bought the right one yesterday. Let's go and have a look. Okay, that's the right one. This one here. And it will go like this, standing up like this. So let's try first with the clip. Yeah, they're bloody long. Anyway. Okay, so this is how I'm going to install it. This is gonna go here. And this is gonna go on top. Maybe like this. Okay. And this is gonna be bent over. That's it. Well, I just found out the clips are defective. You see here? Bigger than here. So they won't really fit properly. That's interesting. I'm not gonna check the others, but missed by 1 or 2 millimeter, which is exactly, see here, much thicker than here. So I'm having a problem, which I need to fix. So I'm gonna check all the clamps, see what happened. But anyway, that gave you the idea of what I'm trying to do. Okay, I started a bit late today. There's about 3 more to cut up there. That's it. I'll be ready. Yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. Tomorrow, Sunday. Oh. Okay, Jem's gonna show something. What is it? There's no F there, it's Filipinas. That's it. Okay, well, Jem's got a passport, Philippine passport for now. A bit of a sun today. Hope it stay like this for the whole weekend. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye bye.